Here's my Nomatic Travel Pack on top of the Away, the bigger carry-on. And I've noticed this is my first trip with the Away, the bigger carry-on, this hard side version. And I noticed it's been really nice for the backpack because I tend to bring a lot in my travel pack. I've got a laptop, a tablet, snacks, and other things in there, and that's how I could fit everything in the carry-on. But this is real nice. It comes right to the top of this handle, and it hasn't been hurting my so heavy on my back because in the airport I'm just gliding along. And this Nomatic, I don't have. They've started making their own hard side luggage, but they weren't making that when I got the backpack. But basically the handle fits perfectly with the Away hard side. And it's one advantage to flying carry-on only is you have a bag then to roll your backpack on top of, because I've noticed other trips where I checked a bag or had a free checked bag, the backpack gets heavy carrying it around. That's my one complaint, and that's not Nomatic's fault. It's just because I pack a lot of stuff in it. So this is a great way to do it. If you fly carry-on only, you've got the carry-on to just roll the bag. And I wanted to show people how, at least with the Away, the bigger carry-on, the handle comes just the right height so you can grab this nice loop here, which is well made and padded, and I like the Away handle. And this Away bag is well balanced, so you can even kind of leave it and it doesn't seem to tip. I prefer to lean against something, but if you're in line getting food at the airport, it can work great. So that's the Nomatic Travel Pack on top of the Away, the bigger carry-on.